So here's a linear patterns question. First thing it's been asked us to do is complete this table below. Now we know that when there's one M shape, there's 4 bars. That's what the table tells us. When there's 2, there's 7. So let's count it for when there's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 bars for the 3 M shapes, and then hopefully you're seeing that we're going up by 3s each time. So when there's 4 M shapes, there'll be 13 bars. And when there's 15 M shapes, we'll leave that until we've come up with a formula for this. Next, we're being asked to work out a formula for calculating the number of bars B when you know the number of M shapes. So if it's to calculate the number of bars B, then our formula is going to start B, and it's going to be equals to something times M plus or minus a number. So to work out what's timesing the M, that's the number we're going up by each time. So this is going up by 3s as we saw before, so B is equal to 3 times M. Now, if I just times all of my M's by 3, you'll see that 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9. We're always finishing 1 shy, so we need to add on 1 each time. So my answer will be B is equal to 3M plus 1. Now, just looking at when M equals 4, we put that into our equation. 3 times 4 would be 12, add 1 would be 13. So it does work, and therefore this is our formula we need to use. Now we have this formula, let's answer the last part of this question of part A in the table. That is to work out how many bars we need if we have 15 M shapes. So I'm going to use my formula. So remember that is B is equal to 3M plus 1. Now this time we know that M is 15, so I'm going to replace the M with 15. So 3 times 15 plus 1. Now BODMAS says I do multiplying first, so this becomes 3 times 15 is 45. Add 1, so B must be 46. So I would now put that in there, complete my table 46. So now on to section C. If we have 76 silver bars, how many M shapes can we make? So this time we're going to use the formula but use it backwards. So let's write out the formula. B is equal to 3M plus 1. And this time we know the B, the number of bars, so I'm going to put that in as 76. And that's equal to 3M plus 1. Now here is some of those simple equations we've seen before. I'm going to solve them just like that. So I take away 1 from both sides. So I get all the numbers onto one side. So it's going to be 76 take away 1 is 75. It's equal to 3M. And now I divide by the number in front of the letter, which is 3. Now my answer will be M is equal to 25. So if I have 76 silver bars, I can make 25 M shapes.